bracelet for my daughter. Just finished making it. A nice pretty bracelet for my daughter's birthday. As you can see. Put a little diamond in there. Light is not that good in here, but I made her this nice bracelet for her birthday. I'm gonna put her initials in there too. Okay. I hope she likes it. All my bees. These are all my bees. I make them with copper wire. That's what I use to make her bracelets. All my bees here. So, well, for your birthday, January 27, 2020. Hope you like it. Made it straight from the heart. Straight from the heart. I can't even fix it. Oops. Okay. That's it. God bless. Made this bracelet for my daughter's birthday coming up. Yeah. Her birthstone is burgundy red, so made it not too long ago. It's for her birthday. Surprise. My older daughter. 2020. January.